Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to review the Joydeco Cordless Zebra Blinds, a fantastic addition to any home looking for stylish and functional window treatments. We found this product online and have provided a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what these blinds are all about. The Joydeco Zebra Blinds are designed for indoor windows, measuring 34 inches wide by 75 inches high. These blinds feature a unique dual-layer fabric design, combining sheer and solid stripes that allow for customizable light control. This means you can easily adjust the amount of natural light entering your space while maintaining your privacy. One of the standout features of these blinds is their premium material. Made from 100% high-quality polyester, the Joydeco Zebra Blinds are not only durable but also provide excellent light filtering and privacy control. You can seamlessly transition between letting in soft light during the day and maintaining privacy at night. The design is both elegant and functional, making it a perfect choice for modern interiors. Another significant advantage of these blinds is their cordless design. This feature eliminates safety hazards, making them an ideal choice for homes with children and pets. The height of the blinds can be effortlessly adjusted using a pull rod at the bottom of the fabric, allowing you to set the perfect position for your needs without any tangled cords. When it comes to installation, the Joydeco Zebra Blinds make things easy. The packaging includes comprehensive instructions, and most users report that they can install the blinds within 10 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a first-timer, you'll appreciate the straightforward installation process. Plus, cleaning these blinds is a breeze. A simple damp cloth is all you need to wipe down the fabric surface, keeping them looking fresh and new. Now, who are these blinds suitable for? The Joydeco Zebra Blinds cater to a wide range of users. If you're a busy parent looking for safe and practical window coverings, these blinds are perfect. They're also great for anyone wanting to enhance the aesthetics of their living space without compromising on functionality. Whether you're outfitting a bedroom, living room, office, or even a nursery, these blinds can fit seamlessly into any decor style. In terms of practical use cases, consider how these blinds can transform your home. In a bright, sunny room, the adjustable light control allows you to filter out harsh sunlight while still enjoying the view. In an office setting, they provide the perfect balance of natural light and privacy, creating a comfortable working environment. And in a nursery, the cordless design ensures safety without sacrificing style. Installing these blinds in your home not only enhances your living space but also adds value and comfort to your lifestyle. With their elegant design, ease of use, and safety features, the Joydeco Zebra Blinds are truly a versatile choice for anyone looking to elevate their home decor. In conclusion, the Joydeco Cordless Zebra Blinds offer a perfect blend of style, safety, and functionality. They are designed to meet the needs of modern families while ensuring that your home remains a beautiful and inviting space. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.